So today we're back in the lovely Broughton-in-Furnass and the sun's come out for us today. Today's property is a 5-bedroom property, detached with lovely gardens, and it's packed full of history. The property is over 400 years old and it's got loads and loads of potential. Let's go and have a look inside. So I think all we've got to say with this property is these properties do not hit the market that often. It's got everything you'll need for country living. It's in the heart of the Lake District and it's right on the edge of the beautiful town of Broughton-in-Furnass. What I want to touch on, normally properties in Broughton don't have parking, don't have garden. This has got a huge garden, loads of parking, and it's an old world traditional house. I'm Kirk Shepherd, we're powered by EXP, and we'll see you next time.